Good morning. Good morning. My name is Santiago Llambo. Next, I am to explain the ETL process. The ETL process is very important for because the take decision in the company is very important. ETL process is A as the extraction in information. T transformation the information. Y load the charge the information because for the clean information because in the errors in the database. First the first pass is ability the sample. The SAMP is very important because for the already the database is in the start the services Apache and MySQL. Yeah. Start because for the process ETL is the create the database in environment. In the environment is name is Mokoro. The Mokoro is environment they create the database in the database in the automatic form. Is very important in the in the tools. In the I continue is the present the Mokoro my Mokoro database is the Mokoro is the ID floor, the type row number, number floor, custom list. In the custom list is the very inconvenient because for the change the dates, the change rate dates, and the color is the type color. Fecha de floración is that time is the that time is the very important because for the date, date and date in then date in the format year March date. If país de origin is country. It's very important because the for the use the Mokoro because for the automatic create the database. Use the database, use the generate database is the click the option green that is generate database. Y for the tooling the database in the format CSV open the archive because for the inconvenient is not compatible in the format X. I continue with the modify the name. Modify the name. Modify modify the name. Le vamos a poner Flores Santiago. And type is very important for the select the book of the Excel. Y le dan y click of the save. Y, y with observe right because for the new name of the archive. The next pass is the next pass is the next topic, excuse me, the next topic is for the scratch the option in the text of column. The text of column because it's very important because organize the database. With the result final is the if the database create previous is the organize with the with uh, with continue is the scarcity option scarcity option is scarcity option uh, form of the table is very important and is very important for the table. In the is the very important form of the table because for the filtering in the date in the database is very important because in the database is the very important verify the duplicate dates is exist. Scratch the option dates where the click or the duplicate delete the duplicates. If the result is not the scratch the duplicates. Er, the next form is create a database with use PHP MyAdmin in database is localhost is the new database le ponemos Flores. Flores name is the database y create the database the name Flores is the a continue is the create table with the database create a table with the database uh, create table Flores id floor int int auto increment primary key, primary key is the important is the important is the correct create the database in the table. Is the verify the digit the correct type is the verify the table is the correct type because for the error in the church the date is the correct creation in the table. Again in the archive the Excel for the Excel is the hit date and the query is for the formula for the formula is concatenar because is the save time in the create one by one in date in the database is called the field use the filter is the create the date is the automatic form continue with the change the date in the database create is the correct change the database is is the correct form create is the I continue is the select date for the using in the visualization. The date is clear, beautiful in the best in the user final. It's very important is the element is the attractive visualization is to query is the color is a repeat match color is repeat in the database. The two query is country, repeat again, repeat much, repeat it the country, repeat the country is is very important because for the elaborate the visualization is using the dates in the using the using dates for the database for change previous in the database. It's very important. Use the dates change in the database for the elaborate visualizations. Continue is the obtain the result the two queries obtain information important for the create the visualization for the Excel is obtain the color candidate is Cremant 11, turquoise 9, orange 8, red 8, violet 6. The execute the one query. The two query date obtained is country and country. China is 22, Russia 9, Indonesia 6, Poland 5, and France 5. A continue is create a visualization for using the Excel. Uh, new 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 create a new space work with the collocate color candidate with the process the copy the date with select date and searching the options is insert is the search options graphic recommended is very important because for the different graphic is the theme in the topic is the different topic uh, the result by 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 dates is the graphic recommended is the column pie column the column accompaniment with me selecting the pie in the pie pie visualization is the sense is the very important is for the change the colors change the colors change the colors with the execute the visualization the one query The to query is país origen y la cantidad. The copy the dates, they execute the two queries, the second query is the repeat the process. Is the interesting the visualization is the pressing in the map because China, Russia, France is the pine in the ubicates exactly in the map in the work, exactly in the map in the work is for using the another visualizations is the another visualization is the different visualizations. Delete the another visualizations is the present visualizations. The present visualizations is the another visualization. The different them ubicate the exactly in the map in the work is insert recommendate and uh, is two different graphic is the one one the the one the one date two visualizations the one date is very important for because is the country one option is the exact ubication in the map in the work. The second visualization is the pie visualization and the percentage visualizations is the final process ETL. Obtain the visualizations is the final process ATL. Thank you for attention.